To move the dates of your course from one term to another, for example, from spring term to fall, use bulk offset dates. Inside your course, go to Course Admin, and then Manage Dates. Here on the Manage Dates screen, everything will show up, including assignments, quizzes, but also grade items and announcements and many other features that you can put a date to. To sort, hit specific tools, and today I'm just going to give dates to assignments. So then click on Assignments, and then click Apply Filter. Now, only my assignments are showing. I have dates here for classes that began in February. So I have a due date of February 3rd, February 10th, and then February 17th. I have a start date on all of them for February 1st, and then I have different end dates depending upon, I usually give like a 4-day grace period for students to turn in work. So I have the assignment open for 4 days after the assignment was due. So we are going to apply the bulk offset dates to these 3 assignments. So click the assignments, then click bulk offset dates. You're going to calculate range between dates. From is the date of the beginning of the spring term, the term which here begins February 1st. 2 would be the beginning of fall term, which here is September 6th. Click Save. And now these dates appear the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd week of the term. They all begin on the 6th, and end dates again correspond to 4 days after the due date. So this is how to use bulk offset dates to move the dates of your assignments from fall to spring term.